Today we're going to make some easy made banana pudding. It is semi-homemade, but it tastes wonderful. So I'm going to start off with my package of instant pudding mix. I have banana cream. Sometimes you can't find this one. Feel free to use the vanilla. It calls for 2 cups of milk. I'm only going to add 1 cup. Because we're going to also add a can of sweetened condensed milk. So this is going to be our milk. I like to whip this up pretty good. The longer you beat it, the more air you get in there. It makes it fluffier. Then we're going to add some Cool Whip. I like the extra creamy. You can use the regular one. This one tastes better to me. I'm going to incorporate this one in. I only like to use the Nilla wafers. So I buy the real ones. We're going to start off first. A little bit of pudding in here. Then we're going to put some cookies. Then we're going to do a banana. We're just going to keep layering this. Some more pudding. Start all over again.